Welcome to
Dino Island!
what kind of dinosaur is this?
Pteranodon! This is T-Rex.
Loud noise.
This is the Pyroraptor. And this is the Therizinosaurus.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Therizinosaurus. Triceratops. This is Dimorphodon. This is Pachysaurus.
What's that?
Pachysaurus and Pilosaurus. Hold on. This is Giganotosaurus. Rap. This is Triceratops from. And this is the Brachiosaurus. And this is Stegosaurus.
Loud noise.
And this is the Allosaurus with the Brachiosaurus. Again, because they're family. This is another T-Rex. And the new one is the Ankylosaurus.
How about this?
That is a Brachiosaurus.
This one.
This is the Brontosaurus.
How about
The Brachiosaurus again. And this is Brachiosaurus.
what's the difference Brachiosaurus and Brontosaurus?
Brachiosaurus is bigger than Brontosaurus. And Brachiosaurus have a bigger head than the Brontosaurus.
Oh, okay.
Brontosaurus is...
Is this a Brachiosaurus or
Yes, Brachiosaurus.
Okay. How about this?
This is a Stegosaurus. And this is a Stegosaurus with an egg. It's a baby Stegosaurus. Excuse me, guys. And this is Styracosaurus. This is the Ankylosaurus. And another Brachiosaurus. And the Triceratops.
Is that Triceratops?
Yes. This
What's
is
the
a
difference between Triceratops and...
Styracosaurus.
Yeah, what's the difference? Can you tell them what's the difference?
These have 3 horns. And this is look
Which
like a
have 3
crown.
horns?
This one. And this
What kind of dinosaur is this?
Triceratops. And these have many horns. And this is the crown. And this is 1 horn in this nose. And this is the crown of him. Look like a king,
What
right?
kind of dinosaur is that?
Styracosaurus.
Okay.
And
What is?
then we got the Triceratops. That's color red. You've never seen one.
What's the difference between this one and... Kasi parang same sila.
This is Stegosaurus. They're not actually same.
Okay.
And this is the difference. Only the difference.
Okay.
You know? You see
What
why?
kind of dinosaur is the
This is
difference between...
Ankylosaurus.
Oh, okay. What's the difference?
This got spikes, big spikes here, and this don't got big spikes there. It's rocky.
Oh, you show them. You show... What's the difference between the two?
You know this spike, more spikes.
This is...
Ankylosaurus. This is Ankylosaurus.
Oh, okay.
And don't forget the Mosasaurus. Boom boom. Brachiosaurus, the old type of Brachiosaurus. And this is the Carnotaurus.
What?
Carnotaurus. And a Carnotaurus again.
Oh, same
And
sila. Oh, okay. This one?
This one is the T-Rex, my favorite. Again. And this is another small T-Rex. T-Rex got tiny arms. And there are king. And this is the Parasaurolophus. And another Parasaurolophus. And the Spinosaurus. That is a baby Triceratops with an egg. And this is the Spinosaurus sister and the baby Spinosaurus. And this is a raptor. And the blue raptor.
Raptors again?
Yes, it's called. This is a different raptor. That is a raptor, and this is
How about this?
Stegomola.
Stegomola. Parang same lang sila. No?
This is, I don't know what's this, guys. It's maybe a Jungosaurus. This is Dilophosaurus.
Dilophosaurus.
It put you ink like an octopus, but it's not an octopus. And this is the T-Rex.
T-Rex also?
Yeah, and this is the T-Rex. And this is the Triceratops. And Dimetrodon. And another Dimetrodon. That is Sleepy. And this is the Jungosaurus that is still a brother. And this is a cute Triceratops. And this is a dino egg. It's a T-Rex inside.
There's a T-Rex
Yeah.
inside? Oh.
And this is the T-Rex.
You show to them. Hindi
The
naman-
T-Rex. And this is the funny T-Rex that eat a lot of food. This is the Ebdonus Rex. You see, it bites you when I put like this.
What movie did you saw that it don't strike?
Jurassic World. It's the dangerous one, but Mosasaurus is defeating it with the T-Rex and Blue. You know Blue? A raptor. And this is Gallimimus. And this is Paralolapes. And this is the Veryonyx. Two Veryonyx, the big one and the smaller one. And this is the baby Ankylosaurus. And this is the pterodactyl with the big tummy. And this is the Elasmosaurus.
Wow, we have lots of dinosaur collections.
And this is the, what do you know? Allosaurus and Parasaurolophus.
How about your big dinosaurs? Can you introduce to them?
This is the T-Rex, dancing T-Rex.
Dancing T-Rex. Can you show them?
Tan 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 tan.
Nag-battery po ba siya?
No.
Wala na siyang battery. Hindi na siya nakapag-dance. Oh. How about this one?
And this is the Brachiosaurus.
You show to them.
Di-joke ko lang siya. Wait lang, mama, di-joke ko lang.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
T-Rex.
T-Rex is yours, carnivore.
Carnivores.
How about Brachiosaurus?
It's herbivores. And this is another Brachiosaurus. That is her. And this is a T-Rex.
Ay, say-bye na. Complete na
And
ba?
this is the Therizinosaurus that have feathers.
Tyrannosaurus.
And this is the old type.
Oh, you show to them your
This
jungle.
is T-Rex jungle. It looks like
Your
animals.
forest. Where dinosaurs live.
But they are extinct.
The herb.
Dino Island Ra. This is a T-Rex family. And this is the Dilophosaurus on his own. And this is Therizinosaurus that's here. See, you will not see him because I put it for. This is a girl and this is a boy. I know what's there. And this is the Parasaurolophus family. And you know what's the difference of Stegomola and Pachycephalosaurus? You know? Stegomola is much faster than Pachycephalosaurus and it's smaller. Pachycephalosaurus is bigger. And Stegomola is quite younger and Pachycephalosaurus is older. You know? You know why? The difference? And this is the Spinosaurus family. And this is Elasmosaurus. Elasmosaurus or Lemuriosaurus or the Mosasaurus of the Jurassic World. And the Baryonyx and Ebdonus fall down because he's been eaten by the Mosasaurus. And Allosaurus and the bigger one and Tyrannosaurus and Allosaurus and the Ebdonus Rex. You know, Ebdonus Rex have a brother in Jurassic World, but he killed the brother. And this is the Pachycephalosaurus. This is the Ankylosaurus and Ankylosaurus. Do you remember what's the difference? The spikier and rock and spike, but these have more spikes than this. But this got only rocks and few spikes, but this got many
What
rocks.
kind of dinosaur yan?
Ankylosaurus and Ankylosaurus. Don't say it's my name. Ankylosaurus is not my name. Because they're
It's Ankylosaurus? No?
No.
Ankylosaurus.
This is Pyroraptor. It can swim. It cannot fly. When it flies, it says, "Kaka." And this is the Triceratops. And they kind of little bit herbivore. And they like to eat grass. Their favorite. They eat thousands. Even, it's the same when Stegosaurus eat grass. They also eat million bigger than. And Stegosaurus protect their babies when humans come. But they're extinct. And this is the Stegosaurus. They like to eat more grass than other herbivores. Like a rhino. It can just rhino only eat them. And this is the Carnotaurus. Sa T-Rex defeated. See? T-Rex defeat the Carnotaurus in Jurassic World. I don't know. But the Fallen. Yes, the Fallen. That's wonderful. And this is the Jungasaurus. And this, I will show you, the Brachiosaurus. Oh, this is the Brachiosaurus. And mine, if you look, the silly one. The silliest in the world. And the Megalodon is here. And now Dimorphodon with the Pterodactyl. Pterodactyls are much faster and Dimorphodons are just predatorious and eat the planes. And they can do this. And pterodactyls eat fish. They don't eat meat, don't eat grass. Eat fish. Fish favorite. Fish. Fish. You have to protect your fish when pterodactyl come.